Welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial.
Alright, so first I'm going to be putting on some concealer, Nude Beige from NYX Cosmetics HD Concealer to cover up my blemishes, and then Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand to highlight underneath my eyes. I know, I'm starting with my face for once. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige, and I just put that all over my face, and I put a little bit on my eye just because I didn't feel like using my primer that day. And then I put some Scotch tape on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm taking the NYX Ultimate Shadows in Brights palette, and I'm taking like the two purpley shades, or at least the light purpley shades, and just putting those in my crease. And then I'm taking that bright pink shade and putting that on my lid. And then I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner and using that to create my nice wing. And then I'm taking the tape off. And then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights Cream Color, and this is in the shade Love Overdose. And I'm taking a makeup wedge sponge and just kind of spreading it out, kind of like giving myself like a little contour with the pink. And then I'm going to go over it a little bit, but like in like little like strokes, I guess, with the NYX Cosmetics Cream Color in Sugar Rush. And then I'm taking the white Snazaroo face paint, and I'm using this to kind of draw out teeth. Sorry, still sick here. So I'm basically just drawing like triangles. For the top ones, I'm drawing like the more pointy side down and the flat side on top. And then for the bottom ones, I'm going to do flat on the bottom and the pointy on the top. I don't know if that makes sense, but I tried explaining it. And yeah, so we're just making like little teeth. And then I'm going back with that pink shadow from the that same palette we used for the eyes. And I'm just using that to kind of like outline the teeth. And then next I'm taking the black Snazaroo face paint, and I'm basically just filling in the cracks in between the teeth. And to finish it off, I'm just putting that same Vivid Brights color on my nose, the Love Overdose. And then I'm going to kind of be going over it a little bit again, kind of with that same stroke I did for the contour with the Sugar Rush one.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were creating them. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Karud bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!